Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Gunjan EduTech. While learning any language, we follow a certain path, that is, we move from very simple to complex stages. It becomes more challenging when you are dealing with a grade 2 or 3 students. So the point to say is that when you are dealing with the grade 2 or 3 student, the topic that you have choose for them, which you are going to deliver, should meet their mental level, means should meet the mental level of the average student in the class. So keeping all these things in mind, let us move to the topic that we are going to discuss today. So the topic which we are going to discuss today comes under the heading parts of speech. So the first thing that you should know is what are the parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? So when we break this sentence, parts of speech, parts means to break something in small pieces, into small pieces, to break something into small pieces, किसी चीज़ को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में विभाजित करना, that is part. The second thing, speech is the conversational part, means the sentences that you use in everyday life while talking, these are your speeches. So मतलब कि जो वाक्य हम यूज़ करते हैं हमारे दिन प्रतिदिन की वार्तालाप में, तो उसको स्पीच कहा जाता है. तो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में जो पहला हेडिंग आती है, जो मतलब उसका पहला पार्ट आता है, दैट इज़ नाउन. और जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो भी, आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा वो भी नाउन है. सो फर्स्टली वी विल डिस्कस इट वर्बली. You all please just listen to me carefully what I am trying to say, because listening is the first skill in a learning process. तो अब मैं साधारण भाषा में नाउन इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी आपको बताऊंगा. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज़ नाउन? नाउन इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, place or a thing. The noun is name of a person, place or thing. Let us discuss this with some example. Like first thing which I have told you, that it is name of a person. So person, like anyone's name, Ram, Sham, Ritik, Rikshit, Shinam, Bhabya, these all are names and it is a part of noun. The second thing is place, like Delhi, your Kolkata, Himachal Pradesh, Manali, Kullu, these are name of the places. So the third thing which comes is a thing. Thing is any object, thing or any object, like pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, table, desk, these are all examples of a thing. So let me tell you what is a noun in Hindi. Noun in Hindi is संज्ञा. नाउन को हिंदी में संज्ञा कहा जाता है. So the other thing asked under the heading noun is its type or kind. So noun is of 5 type or kind. It has 5 types or kind. Number 1 is your proper noun. Secondly, common noun. Third, it's collective noun. Number 4 is your material noun, and number 5 is abstract noun. इसका मैं आपको हिंदी में भी बता देता हूँ इसके मतलब क्या है. प्रॉपर नाउन इज़ योर व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. ठीक है, तो मैंने ऊपर बताया था कि नाउन को संज्ञा कहा जाता है, तो प्रॉपर नाउन जो इसके टाइप है, भाग है, तो उसमें जो प्रॉपर नाउन है उसको व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहा जाता है। कॉमन नाउन इज योर जातिवाचक संज्ञा। थर्डली दैट कलेक्टिव नाउन इज समूहवाचक संज्ञा। एंड नंबर 4 द मटेरियल नाउन इज द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा। एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज भाववाचक संज्ञा। सो for grade 2 student we are going to discuss it till here. So now let me tell you about the topic we discussed today in a written form. I have done some homework for you, so let's see. Now as we have moved the camera side, so our today's subheading was parts of speech that I told you. Heading means our main topic was the noun संज्ञा. Definition, I told you the name of a person, place or a thing is called noun. The name of a person, place or thing is called noun. Examples, number 1 person, Rikshit, Ritik, Bhavya, Shinam, etc. Ritik, Rikshit, Bhavya, Shinam, etc. These are example of person. Place, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Kullu, Manali, etc. These are the example of places. Thing or objects, pen, chair, table, pencil, eraser, etc. These are all objects. So now types or kind of noun. नाउन आर ऑफ 5 टाइप्स. तो नाउन के कितने प्रकार होते हैं? 5 प्रकार होते हैं. द प्रॉपर नाउन व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, कॉमन नाउन जातिवाचक संज्ञा, कलेक्टिव नाउन समूहवाचक संज्ञा, मटेरियल नाउन द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन भाववाचक संज्ञा. सो इट इज ओवर नाउ. As for class grade 2 or class 2nd student, it is enough for them. So thank you and have a nice day.